everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic constant in PHP. So now we are going to discuss on the topic that is PHP constants. So constants are like variable which do not change during the programming language. So we are discussing now the constants that are of many types. Suppose we are discussing that is case sensitive. First type. Next is case insensitive. Another one would be array. And many more others. So these are the constants that are declared in PHP. So the syntax of all the constants are different. Suppose in each and every constant we have to derive the PHP tag starts and PHP tag close. In between this, we will define the constant. Suppose in this I am taking the constant value, that is Rupali. After that, in between this, I will pass the value of this constant. Suppose I am taking height. After that, I will echo my constant for deriving the value. Suppose this is my display screen. I am echoing my value, that is Rupali. So this is my echo which I have to print. This is my constant and this is the value that is printed here. Suppose if I am writing small r, it would not print, it would just print the echo value, that is small alphabet Rupali. So in every time we have to declare the same value, that is r is capital here. So I have to write the r capital to print the value. So it would be changed and the programming will be understanding that I am printing my constant value. The answer is high. So now we are discussing the next one, that is case insensitive. So again, the PHP tag starts and the PHP tag close. In between this, we are discussing case insensitive. So we will define the variable, that is constant variable. Suppose I am taking Rupali. After that, I am passing the value, that is height in double quotes, then semicolon. After that, I have to echo my value. Suppose I am not understanding with the alphabet I have taken r capital or small. So in case insensitive, one more thing will be added, that is comma and true. So after that, if I write small alphabet Rupali or this one, this statement would be true and will be printed here, that is high. So this is case insensitive. Suppose this alphabet is small or short, it doesn't depend. If I have written the true value, it would be declared the answer, that is echo constant, the value that is high. So now we are discussing another one, that is array constant in PHP. So this is done and we are discussing this one. So again, PHP tag starts, PHP tag ends. In between this, we will define the array function. In between this, we will define the array constant, that is serial number. Suppose this is my constant of array. After that, I have to pass my values. So the value would be declared in this type. Suppose my first value is 1, my second value is 2, my third value is 3. After that, close up this bracket in this and then semicolon. After that, I have to print my value. This is the display screen. In between this, I will echo serial number. So I have to print one of the number in between this. So I will pass the variable then semicolon. Suppose I need 1 to be declared here. So I will write 0 because by the default the value of this place is 0. This is 1 and this is 2. Suppose I have written serial number 0. So this value will be written here, that is 1, because I have selected the 0 place value and the constant variable is been declared, that is 1. Suppose I am taking here 1, so this would not be declared. This value would be printed 1. Suppose I have taken 2, so now this value will be declared, that is 3, because this number is 0, this is 1 and this is 2 in arrays. So thanks for watching our session. Now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.